The dreaded ammonia smell, the uninvited guest that crashes the party, lingering around like a stubborn fog, refusing to leave. Well, fear not, for we have concocted a powerful plan of attack to banish this pungent perpetrator from your home once and for all. Say goodbye to sniffles and hello to fresh air, as we reveal the secrets of how to get rid of ammonia smell. It's about to get real fresh up in here. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of that awful smell. Get rid of it! Identify the source of the ammonia smell. First and foremost, you'll want to pinpoint the area where the odor is the strongest. To do this, walk around the room or space, taking deep breaths to really get a sense of where the smell is coming from. Don't be shy to get down low or go up high if needed. The source could be anywhere. Once you've found the general area with the strongest odor, it's time to dig a little deeper and figure out what's causing it. There are a few common culprits for ammonia smells, like pet urine, household cleaners, or spoiled food. Let's go through each of these potential sources one by one. Pet urine. If you have furry friends at home, there's a chance that the ammonia smell is coming from their urine. Check for any damp or stained spots on carpets, rugs, or upholstery. If you find any, you'll want to clean those areas thoroughly. You may need to use a product specifically designed to break down the enzymes in pet urine. Household cleaners. Sometimes, the ammonia smell could be the result of using certain cleaning products. Take a look at the labels on your cleaning supplies. If any of them contain ammonia, make sure they're properly sealed and stored away from heat sources. If a container is leaking or has been accidentally mixed with another cleaner, this could be causing the smell. In this case, dispose of the affected product safely and according to local regulations. Spoiled food. If you've recently had a fridge malfunction or just forgot about some leftovers, spoiled food could be the reason behind the ammonia smell. Thoroughly inspect your refrigerator and pantry for any expired or rotten food items and discard them appropriately. Ventilate the area. Open as many windows and doors as possible in the affected area. This will create a natural airflow that'll help dissipate the ammonia smell. Make sure you open windows and doors on opposite sides of the room or building. This will encourage cross-ventilation and speed up the process. Don't forget to open the curtains and blinds to let in as much fresh air as possible. Next, it's time to bring out the fans. Using fans will help promote air circulation, further speeding up the ventilation process. You can use any kind of fan you have available, like a box fan, oscillating fan, or even a ceiling fan. Place the fan strategically in the room. Aim to direct the airflow from the open windows and doors toward the area with the strongest odor. If you're dealing with a particularly stubborn ammonia smell, you might also consider using an air mover or a high-velocity fan. These fans are more powerful than your average household fan. While you're ventilating the area, make sure to give it some time. Depending on the severity of the smell, it could take a few hours or even a whole day to fully dissipate. Be patient and keep the fans running and windows open until you notice a significant improvement in the air quality. Clean the affected surfaces. For non-porous surfaces like countertops, tile, or laminate, create a cleaning solution using white vinegar and water. Just mix equal parts of both in a spray bottle and give it a good shake. Then, spray the solution onto the surface and use a clean cloth or sponge to wipe it down. The vinegar will help break down any remaining ammonia residue and neutralize any lingering odors. Now, when it comes to porous surfaces like wood or concrete, you'll need to use a different approach. For these surfaces, an enzymatic cleaner designed specifically for ammonia odors is your best bet. Just follow the instructions on the label for how to apply the cleaner. Let it sit for the recommended time to allow the enzymes to work their magic. Once you've cleaned the surfaces with either the vinegar solution or the enzymatic cleaner, rinse them thoroughly with water. This will help remove any residue from the cleaning products and ensure that your surfaces are left looking and smelling fresh. Clean carpets, upholstery, and fabrics. For carpets and upholstery, use a carpet cleaner along with an enzymatic cleaner specifically designed to tackle ammonia odors. To use this method, mix the enzymatic cleaner with water according to the label's instructions. Be sure to let the solution sit for a while to give the enzymes time to break down the ammonia molecules. Then, use it with a carpet cleaner or a brush to scrub the affected areas. Now, for any removable fabrics like curtains, slipcovers, or even clothing that may have absorbed the ammonia smell, you can launder them with some vinegar added to the wash cycle. Start by washing the fabrics in your washing machine as you normally would, but instead of adding fabric softener, pour in about 1 cup of white vinegar. The vinegar will help neutralize the odor and leave your fabrics smelling fresh. Absorb the odor using natural materials. You can use either vinegar or baking soda to help absorb the smell. For vinegar, just fill a few bowls with white vinegar and place them around the affected area. If you prefer using baking soda, pour some into shallow dishes or bowls and do the same. Both vinegar and baking soda are great at neutralizing odors, so it's really up to you which one you prefer. Next, consider using activated charcoal or zeolite products. Activated charcoal and zeolite are both natural materials that excel at trapping and absorbing odors. You can find these products in various forms like bags, pouches, or even loose granules. Place the activated charcoal or zeolite products near the source of the ammonia smell to maximize their effectiveness. While you're using these natural materials to absorb the odor, keep an eye on their progress. After a few days, you might notice that the smell has significantly diminished, but it's not completely gone. If that's the case, replace the vinegar or baking soda with fresh materials and continue to use the activated charcoal or zeolite products until the odor is completely eliminated. Use odor-eliminating products. If you're looking for another approach to tackle any lingering ammonia smell, that's where odor-eliminating products come in. These commercial products are specifically designed to neutralize and remove odors from your home. First, you'll need to purchase a commercial odor neutralizer. There are many brands and types of products available on the market, so you can choose one that best fits your needs. Once you have your odor-eliminating product in hand, read the label and follow the instructions for proper application. Each product may have slightly different directions, so it's crucial to ensure you're using it correctly for the best results. For example, some products come in a spray form, which you'll have to mist onto the affected areas, such as carpets, upholstery, or curtains. Other products might be designed to be mixed with water and mopped onto hard surfaces, like tile or laminate flooring. There are also gel or bead-based products that you can place in a container and leave in the affected area to slowly release their odor-neutralizing properties. After applying the odor-eliminating product, give it some time to work to completely neutralize the odor. Be patient and reapply the product as needed if the smell persists. Use an air purifier. Another great way to tackle lingering ammonia smells is by using an air purifier. These handy devices can help clean the air in your home, removing not only odors but also allergens and other pollutants. You'll need to buy an air purifier with a HEPA filter and an activated carbon filter if you don't have one. The HEPA filter is designed to capture small particles like dust, pollen, and pet dander. On the other hand, the activated carbon filter specializes in absorbing and neutralizing odors, including ammonia. Next, make sure the air purifier is sized appropriately for the room in which you plan to use it. Check the product specifications for the recommended room size or square footage, as this can vary between models. Using an air purifier that's too small for the space may not be as effective in removing odors and particles. Once you have the right air purifier for your space, place it in the room where the ammonia smell is most noticeable. Keep the air purifier near the source of the odor, but also make sure it's not blocked by furniture or other obstacles that could restrict airflow. Now, plug in your air purifier and turn it on. Most models have multiple fan speed settings, so you can choose the one that best suits your needs. You may want to start with a higher setting to quickly tackle the ammonia smell, and then switch to a lower setting for ongoing maintenance. Finally, give the air purifier some time to work its magic. If the smell persists after trying the above methods, consult a professional cleaning service or indoor air quality specialist. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If so, please like, share, and comment to let me know what you thought. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.